Surprise.
Yeah, start it off right, boys. Oh, yeah, bud. Send it. Yeah.
All right, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brap Genius back again with another video, and you guys asked for it. We got it. I wasn't really anticipating on getting this bike. I kind of found a really good deal that I was not expecting, so I jumped on it. So let's get into this bike, what it is, and break it down for you. So this is a 2023 Kawasaki KX250X. So this is a dedicated woods bike. It has a setup for the woods. It's got the 18-inch rear wheel, kickstand. The suspension is set up better for the woods, amongst a couple other things as well. It now has, as you could see here, about 13 hours on it. I got it with 10 hours. And I'm not going to say how much I paid, but I got it for a really good deal. The guy I bought it from was buying a house, and he needed cash. So like I said, I wasn't anticipating on making it happen at this moment. But when an opportunity comes, you got to take it. So this thing is pretty brand new. Like I said, it had 10 hours on it, which really isn't much. And it's just a beautiful bike. It's going to be great for the channel. You guys, I put the post up for between this or between the Ninja 636 stunt bike. I actually do have that one as well, which we will get into at another point in time. But just look at how beautiful this thing is. It's nice to have something that's pretty much brand new. I've never owned a new bike. And the reason I wanted this was, like I said, it's set up for the woods, which is great. But more than that, it has a hydraulic clutch. It's fuel injected. It's an electric start. It has a kickstand. It has the 18-inch rear wheel. And it's made for the woods. You know, I love my YZ250 two-stroke. It's a great bike. That is not going anywhere. But at the same time, you know, that thing is fun for riding around and, you know, side trails near my house and that, but it's really not made for intense enduro riding like this bike is. This is more of like a hare scramble bike, and as you can tell now, it has 13 hours. I've done some riding on it, and it has been a blast so far. And look, the clutch is so smooth, hydraulic clutch, and it's just nice to be able to have something different, something clean. And it even still has the stickers on the back of it. I mean, this thing is very clean. So I have the YZ250 two-stroke, the Yamaha, and you may be thinking to yourselves, why did I choose to go with a Kawasaki instead of a Yamaha? And I don't know, it's just personal preference. There's something about this bike. I've seen a KX250X that someone, or KX250F, excuse me, that someone was riding through the winter all last season, and I was thinking how nice it would be to have something a little different. Have a four-stroke. You know, there's some mods I'm going to have to do to this to get it to be to where I really want it to be, and that's going to be part of the setup for this channel for this bike. Is I'm going to do kind of a mini build series, just putting on some extra protection, you know, radiator fan, frame guards, hand guards, skid plate. It has a skid plate on here, you guys can see, but it's really not that thick. I want to get something you'll see down there. The linkage is going to be covered with the skid plate that I end up getting. A larger gas tank. You know, it'd be nice to finally have a clear gas tank and see how much gas I have, because right now I don't even know how much gas is in here. Oh, it's full, but I wouldn't have known that, you know what I mean? So those are mostly the main mods, and it's interesting. This has different color couplers that you could put into this for different kinds of riding. So I have to do a little bit more research on that. This is the most technologically advanced dirt bike that I've ever ridden. So I'm going to have to see how that ends up working out long term, if I end up liking that more or less. I'm sure it'll have its pros and cons, but like I said, it's just nice to have something new. Hopefully that'll be dependable. And it's a four-stroke. It is not a two-stroke. So I love my two-strokes, and I know they're more oriented for the woods riding, and that's really what people usually go for. But I don't know. There was something about a 252 or 254 stroke that I thought I would enjoy in the woods. And so far, it's been an absolute blast. So I'm excited to see what this bike is going to bring for the channel. Hopefully you guys like it. I did a poll, and you guys said that most of you ride four strokes instead of two strokes, which took me by surprise. I figured it would have been closer to about, you know, 50-50, but it seemed to be about 75-25 four strokes. So I thought that'd be something good too. It'll appease to you guys on the channel a little bit more. You guys can connect. And now we get the best of both worlds for the dirt world. You know, I have a new four-stroke, and then I have the retro-looking Yamaha two-stroke. So more videos to come, guys. We're back to it. I'm gonna do a build series with this bike, probably going into the winter, and then we'll continue on with this regular content going into next year. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about the bike. If you like it, if you think it's cool, if you don't like it, if you like 2 strokes, 4 strokes, just throw your ideas and thoughts down in the comments, guys. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.